Look, the truth is, everyone's talking about impact investing like it's some niche side hustle. But here's the brutal fact no one wants to say out loud. The system is broken, and the biggest opportunities have been right under our noses the whole time. Sustainable agriculture isn't just another sector, it's a battleground between destroying the planet and saving it. And if you're still hesitating, you're missing the real stakes. You've seen what happens when we pour capital into flashy tech, only to watch those bubbles pop and promises vanish. The frustration of throwing money at something that feels like progress, but ends up feeding the same old waste and greed. That's your gut screaming at you right now. Investors are tired of hollow returns wrapped as impact. Founders are stuck chasing capital that cares more about the sign up than the outcome. This isn't just annoying, it's dangerous, because food is the foundation of everything. If the way we grow it falls apart, the system crumbles. Here's the cold, harsh reality nobody else gives you. Sustainable agriculture is the real next frontier because it hits every pain point investors don't like to admit. Climate risk? Off the charts. Supply chain chaos? Out of control. Consumer demand for transparency? It's screaming louder every day. But instead of bottling fear, you can flip the script and harness those problems as your edge. Step 1. Stop thinking small. Forget quick exits or chasing surface level ESG credentials. Real impact happens when you back leaders and innovators who tear down outdated methods, soil killing fertilizers, water heavy monocultures, carbon spewing machines, and build something new. Precision farming that actually regenerates land. Agroforestry models that lock in carbon and rebuild ecosystems. Technologies that connect farmers directly to markets without middlemen ripping them off. This isn't fluff, it's where the money flows next because it's where the hardest problems are. And hardest problems mean least competition and biggest barriers to entry. Step 2. Look beyond agribusiness as usual. The biggest returns won't come from just another organic food label or fancy packaging. They come from rethinking the entire value chain. Invest in data platforms that give real-time soil health insights. Support supply chains powered by blockchain for full traceability, so every dollar spent is trackable back to honest, sustainable practices. Fund companies turning waste into profit, waste that farms generate and cities dump. These are untapped gold mines. Step 3. Get ready to move fast and act. Because the world is waking up. Consumers want clean food, not greenwashed lies. Regulators are tightening rules. Climate shocks are accelerating. If you don't position your portfolio at this intersection now, someone else will. And you'll be stuck buying into last decade's safe bets while money disappears chasing trends with no roots. For founders, stop pitching the same tired story. Show real proof. Data that moves markets, partnerships that scale, solutions that withstand shocks. Investors want numbers, not narratives. For investors, demand more than good intentions. Insist on transparency, measurable outcomes, scalability. Commit capital where it changes landscapes, literally and figuratively. For all of you, build networks that share knowledge fast and push each other, not echo chambers that comfort, but don't challenge. This is the messy, gritty edge of impact investing. It's not clean, it's not easy, but it's where real change starts and real money follows. So here's what to do right now. Identify startups that are not just sustainable by label, but by design. Those reorganizing how food is grown, moved, paid for. Find funds with deep domain expertise, not generalists who spread bets like fairy dust. Push your teams to obsess over soil health and water cycles like they're the new currency, because they are. This space is overdue for a capital revolution. The planet is overdue for a reset. And you, right now, have the rare chance to back projects that deliver real returns, real change, and real hope. Don't let your frustration turn into paralysis. Don't buy the hype that impact has to be slow or sentimental. Act. Invest with brutal honesty. Demand proof. Support risk takers who solve for the real mess, not the show. Sustainable agriculture isn't just the next wave. It's the next mission-critical battlefield. Don't watch it pass you by. Get involved now, or keep complaining while the real impact and real profits go to those who don't wait. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.